Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you some of the hidden luxury brand Chinese shopping app that allow you to shop products at a very cheap price, high quality luxury brand. For as long as you have your WeChat app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you will have access to some of these hidden brand luxury shopping app from China directly from the luxury manufacturers. For that, let's go ahead and open up my WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, proceed to discover. Then have a click on discover, it takes you right here. Go ahead and click on mini programs. From mini programs right here, scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Then go ahead and click on here. And it's going to take you right here. So here, these are all brand luxury shopping app direct from manufacturer in China. So if you're interested in any of them, so let's say for instance, I'm interested in Omega brand. So click on the link. Then go ahead and click on here. Then you can translate some of the Chinese character right here into English language. For that, go ahead and click on this dot from the top corner. Then swipe this way. Make sure you click on translation. So with that, everything on this page is going to be translated into English language. You can see explore this watch. For that, go ahead and click on explore. Now you are here. You can scroll down right here and read detail about the watch. So the Superhero Series Ultra Mass watch. So it's about 49,000 yuan. So you can scroll down and read detail about the watch. And these are the material that make up the watch, that make up the wristwatch. You can scroll down and see another one right here. This is another product by this Omega. So you can scroll down, and the more you scroll down, the more you see everything they have in this page. However, you can click on here to go to their home page and see more products in the sections. So go ahead, you can check on the accessory from the store. So these are accessory. You can click on here to see your profile account right here. So here, allow everything to be translated. Now create an account or sign in with my Omega to enjoy our dedicated service and get timely access to our new publication. So what you need to do here is to click on here to accept the term of and service. So once you click on that, click on here to sign in and create a free account with Omega Store. So if you are not getting something you need from Omega Store, simply go back to the home page right here and then go ahead and check on another different brand right here. Okay, so the more you scroll down, the more there are a lot of brand right here. Let's take a look at this. So I'm going to click on it. So right here, we can also translate all this into English. For that, click on here. Then swipe this way. Go ahead and hit on translation. Then allow everything to be translated to your desired understanding language. So you can read detail right here in English. Go ahead and click on agree. Agree. Then you can begin to scroll down right here and see different products from this particular brand right here. So you can come back to the home page right here and go on and check on different luxury brand right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different luxury brand right here. Continue to scroll down and then it's load up right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different brand right here. It's that simple. WeChat Secret is much. If you really want to know much about how to source and ship products using your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.